Welcome to this user interface tutorial. In this short video, we'll take a quick tour of the Selection tab. The software is built around a modern ribbon-based interface, which brings together all essential tools in a clear, organized layout. The ribbon arranges software commands into intuitive tabs and groups, each strategically placed to enhance and streamline your workflow. Let's begin exploring the Selection tab in more detail. The Selection tab provides tools to manage the selection of the model. This tab is organized into 4 sections such as Selection, Groups, Elements, Selectability, and Selection Method. Let's start with the Selection section. The Select command is used to choose elements from the model so they can be edited or transformed. The command operates in 2 ways depending on how far the mouse is moved. A simple left click selects the nearest element, while clicking and dragging creates a selection window that captures all elements within it. The elements that can be selected with this command are those enabled in the Elements Selectability section. Users can turn each element type on or off, and any enabled type will be highlighted in blue. The Select All command selects all of the elements in the model for editing. Once again, the command is restrained to the types of elements enabled in the Elements Selectability section. The Deselect All command deselects all of the selected elements in the model. The Invert Selection command selects all of the elements of the model which are not selected, and deselects the elements which were previously selected. The Special Selection command allows to make selections according to multiple criteria. The command can be used to select elements, add elements to the currently selected elements, remove elements from the current selection, or refine the current selection. Users can select from the available options here: identifier range, geometric range, and element orientation. The Find command allows to highlight elements such as joints, members, physical members, plates, and surfaces using their identifiers. To highlight an object, enter its identifier in the appropriate addition field, or select it from the corresponding list. In case an object does not exist, is outside the screen, or is hidden by any means, an error message will be displayed at the bottom of the dialog box. The Groups section includes both the Define Group and Retrieve Group commands. The Define Selection Group command saves the current selection for future use. After selecting a group of elements and clicking the Define command, you will be prompted to assign a name to the selection group in the window here. The group defined can then be recovered using the Retrieve command. The Fetch Selection Group command recovers a selection group previously defined. To recover a group, simply select it in the list and click Select. It is also possible to delete selection groups by selecting the group in the list and clicking the button marked with a red X. A prompt will ask you to confirm the action, as any group deleted this way will be permanently lost. The Info button here allows you to view or manually edit the contents of a group such as joints, members, plates, and surfaces. As previously mentioned, the Elements Selectability section is used to activate or deactivate selectability of various elements such as joints, members, link elements, line releases, plates, surfaces, spatial objects, integration lines, mesh contours, and walls. When an element is highlighted in blue, it means it is activated. Finally, the Selection Method section provides 3 available options, all applying exclusively to the Window Selection command. The Select Within command allows to activate the interior selection mode. When this selection method is active, only elements located entirely within the selection rectangle will be selected. The Select Crossing command allows to activate the crossing selection mode. When this selection method is active, the elements located entirely within the selection rectangle will be selected, but also all elements crossing the selection rectangle. The Select Automatic command allows to activate the automatic selection mode. When this selection method is active, the effective selection mode, whether within or crossing, depends on the direction of the selection window. Dragging from left to right performs a within selection, while dragging from right to left will be considered a crossing selection. This concludes our overview of the Selection tab, highlighting the key tools and commands within the interface. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.